How to decrease using single crochet 3 stitches together, US terminology. In this video, we'll show you how to single crochet 3 stitches together, double crochet 3 stitches together in UK terminology. This is just one of the ways to decrease the number of crochet stitches in your row or round and is commonly used in amigurumi projects. Start by inserting your hook into the next stitch. Then yarn over and pull through, but do not complete the stitch. You'll now have 2 loops on your hook. Insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through, but do not complete the stitch. You'll now have 3 loops on your hook. Repeat once more. Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through. You'll now have 4 loops on your hook. Next, yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on your hook. This completes the stitch. You have now decreased 3 single crochet stitches into 1. And that's how you work a single crochet 3 stitches together.